Good, Maddox. Hey, Calder. Yeah, I'm trying to get, I'll probably get started a little bit earlier most days now, so we'll see what happens. What do we want to call this? Okay, we'll do that. We'll have to see, though. Trying to figure out what makes the most sense. Things are starting to get into a rhythm again with the new baby. So life is, we're trying to figure out what makes sense. All right, so how can I go and view this only the chat for x.com? That's what I need to do right now. Pop out chat. That is what I'm looking for. Nice. Excellent, excellent. What up, E? All right, here we go. We're all set. That should be good. Okay, cool. Okie dokie. So we're going to work on the course for a bit. And then we'll just sort of see where we are after a little bit. For that, I should also go to pull. You know what really grinds my gears? True. Oh no, sorry. We got. I don't know that I have this running right now. My bad. Oops. My bad. Release date should be this month. That's what I'm targeting. Before the end of the month.
PHP is
there we
the
go.
world's best language.
Whoops. I meant to move this down. Is that Kev? I didn't even notice that it was Kev. What up, buddy? We are getting so close. Right now, I'm just going through all of the exercises and cleaning them up. And then we just got to record some videos. I don't want to record the videos until we finish like most of the other stuff because I don't want to re-record the videos. You know what I mean? What up, MD? So that's kind of where we're at. We're getting pretty close. Oh my goodness. People are getting mad on the X.com platform.
Actually, my favorite.
Kev, tough Michigan game this week, but at least we didn't lose to Northern Illinois. You know what I mean? Quite early. It's 8:30. Or should just be me reading the transcript. Nice. Okay, so right now I think these are pretty much all the way done. So I'll tell Lane. Okay, I'll tell Lane here. And we'll see. We'll do this. This is up through chapter 7. Gonna work on the rest of the chapters today. Then hopefully get to record tomorrow. 6, 7, 8. What's up, Morax? So we'll see. All right, that sounds good. Very, very tough, but we have the whole season to go. Yeah. There were glimmers of hope at the beginning. You know what I mean, Kev? Like there were glimmers of hope in the first quarter. I was like, okay.
We're mostly gonna beat each other senseless, make enemies with Disney,
Thanks,
tell
Mark.
a few dick jokes, make a few jokes at my expense.
All right, so where are we here? Okay, yeah, so by the end of this, we should say, instead of section, we'll say chapter and API. Well, deeper exploration of generics. That just means void stars, as well as creating data structure we'll use later, market sleep. We give an example. Background Austria exercise and then a trash sack for each. Ooh, I don't know. I'm not sure that we want to do that. Maybe we can do it as a bonus one. Morning, boys. About to start a flight here. Oh, a flight? A flight of what? Is the broadcast working? Hopefully. Are you the Vim guy? I'm one of the Vim people. Chat.
Recursive, like,
Should I announce it right now? Here. We'll go back to my draft right here. Right here. I'm going to be in Japan for VimConf 2024. Vim JP invited me to come speak. I'm going to give a keynote. But I'm not sure if I'm supposed to announce it yet. So it's on the website though, so it seems fair, right? I'm allowed to. Right? It's got to be that I'm allowed to say it now. Take the floating train thing, plan on it. Yeah. Plan on it. What's up, Arhan? Himanshu? Have you joined our community yet? I love your hot takes. Well, what community, Marcus? So I'll wait to post it, but yeah. Don't want to. I know that's the only. So like, it's such a like nice problem to have, Lithium, but going without like Kayleen and the kids to these places makes me a little bit sad. I'm literally gonna be in Tokyo. I'm gonna yell Tokyo to the sky, but hopefully in a secluded area, so I'm not like that kind of tourist. You know what I'm saying? It was awesome, nice. But it's like I get a little bummed out that I can't have the kiddos. VimConf, but not Neo VimConf. We're going to still do Neo VimConf this year. Thanks, Lithium. Software engineering on X. Oh, I'll join it, sure. I don't really comment a lot in communities, though. All right, there's got to be like, isn't there like a bonus chapter? Optional exercises. I haven't done any with this. I'm assuming these go at the end. Optional lesson. So let's go back to here. I do think making an optional lesson is kind of nice for this, where we do a macro and we do this and we say we say for each macro, something like this. Oh, nice. Okay, that's fine. Boot. Where is my boot? Lua, here we go. Update current lesson. That's the one that we want. That's the one that we want. Deadlocked in Tokyo. There are no secluded areas in Tokyo, but like maybe in my room or like on a balcony. You know what I mean? Just not like in the street. This month, James, that's the goal. That's the goal. We're like everything is like done. We're in polish mode right now. You must, of course, I'm not going to just yell it without taking the video. The point would be to make the video. That's why I don't want to do it in like a public area, because I don't want to be that tourist. You know what I'm saying? I don't need to be, I don't remember if it was Logan or Jake Paul, but that's not the like vibe I'm looking to give off when I'm in Tokyo. Right? That was in Japan where he was big dumb. Do the Logan Paul thing. I'm not doing that. I'm not gonna do it. Warren, stop. I'll never stream again. They'll cancel me for real. I don't have enough subscribers yet. I'm going to Tokyo for VimConf. I'm speaking at VimConf Japan. We'll cancel them first. Oh, smart, Warren. I already almost got canceled today. People were very mad. Lots of very angry people.
Made it properly tail recursive. Like, yes. Ocampo is actually my favorite.
Why? Because some terrible, the worst staffer they've ever seen. Everybody, I walked in the room, I said, that's the worst staffer I've ever seen. Tweeted the dumbest thing of all time. From a Biden account, a lot of politicians have trouble saying the word union. I'm not one of them. To which the obvious reply. I could not believe no one had yet replied to this with the same joke. Like, I was scrolling, I was like, there's nobody there. There's nobody there. How is this not? So I had to reply. But then a lot of people they've been leaving very angry notes about it. Is it a good experience, or is Twitch superior? Twitch has more features and stuff, but I like I like streaming 2x as well. It was a dad trap. I know. It was literally just made to bait dads. I showed this tweet to Kayleen, and she's like, she already started laughing. She's like, I already know what you're gonna reply to this. You know what I mean? Like, oh, also D'Artagnan, thanks for the sub earlier. But anyways, so that was funny. Lots of very angry people about it. But what can you do? The joke is too good not to do. You know what I'm saying? They're angry that I called an elderly gentleman dude. I don't think that's what they were frustrated about. Don't they know? Like, they should have known.
How would you say your mental focus is?
Oh, it's focused.
They should have known. Like, I'm a huge fan. Why else would I have it's focused here?
Ashley. Mary Kate and Ashley. Mary Kate and Ashley.
I thought it was a subtweet about Prime.
It was actually the same day that I met Ashley.
Yeah, it should have been. That would have actually been more funny. I do a lot of subtweeting about Prime, though. That's true. To start listening to your Neovim, learn the friendly mail, and seriously learned quite a few things. You were totally nuts to do that. Big thanks. Thanks, you Mohit. I'm thinking about doing the same thing for Lua soon. Howard the Duck 2024. Probably most qualified candidates, if we're being honest. For each. Of chaotic. I want to go to a great sushi place in Japan, try out their vending machines with weird drinks, try ramen, and hike Mount Fuji. That would be an awesome trip. Is Comms being streamed? Which one? The VimConf one? I think so, yeah.
Recursive,
6 months teach. What's up,
Okay, well,
Jabba?
it's actually my favorite.
I'll try and do as many of those as I can, Lithium. I won't do Mount Fuji because I would not do that without Kayleen. But I will do my best to do great sushi, vending machine, and ramen. I think I should be able to accomplish those. Mount Fuji is dangerous? Well, then maybe I won't even do it with Kayleen. I don't know if it's streamed, but everything will at least get uploaded, Spuda. Why not bring her? We have a, by then, 3-month-old baby. It just does not seem fun to fly to Japan. You know what I mean? Well, and two older kids than that as well. Like, we'll go someday. We'll go someday when the kids are a little older. Yeah, you gotta go slow, and you gotta train for those, yeah. Really forward. Thanks. Ah, yes, the small humans. Yeah, they make it complicated. It has to be kid strip. That's the other thing. I'm trying to convince her. I think I've gotten pretty good chance so far that she should go to Laracon, Australia with me next year if I go. I'm going to Japan, yeah. Just like for a few days for VimConf. VimConf 2024 sessions right here. Me, TJ DeVries, longtime NeoVim contributor and the author of Telescope NVim. He's currently a programming content creator who also happens to sell coffee beans over SSH. When he's not exploring new programming languages or creating ways to configure NeoVim with CSS, he enjoys spending time with his wife, 3 kids, and goofy German Shepherd. How is that for a bio, chat? What do you guys like that? It's a new JS framework. I don't think any of the JS people are familiar. What's up, Yash? Needs more memes. Well, I didn't know how memey to go. You know what I'm saying? I did not start DeVry. Yeah. Like, I don't know.
You can't fight in here. This is the war
No,
room.
no. Yeah, I invented Neovim. You guys caught me. You guys caught me. Okay, so I do want to do this one because I do think it's a good idea for us to do, but I'm not sure what to do for it yet. Because I do think so. We'll leave ourselves a to-do on that one. I don't think there's a lot to say for this one. That makes sense, Mark. That makes sense. What's up, Vabav? Do you have any take on why Rust and not Zig in Linux codebase? I guess because Zig is not matured. Yeah, Zig's not 1.0. It's pretty hard to convince Linux to add something that's not 1.0. You know what I mean? See for the future of Rust in Linux codebase? I have no idea. I don't know anything about kernel development. I see, Nike. Create new stack. Free this. Create the stack. Whoops. So this is just like they need to malloc it. They need to set things to 0, and they should be able to figure everything out by this point from the test. Yeah. Tell them version right to left. That'll convince them. We got him. Yeah, Nubek, that makes sense. I mean, learning the motions and stuff in your current editor is a great idea. I'd love to work on anything not UI right now. Lithium, how's your Go 2E work? What's up, Ala? Did you get a McLaren? I did not get a McLaren yet. Maybe next time we rent a car. By now, I'd say you're biased with Lutris, but you think it was today? Would Neovin pick as its configuration language? Would we pick anything besides Lua? That's pretty hard to say. I feel like no. I can't think of one off the top of my head that brings everything Lua brings to the table. I think what we would have done is made remote plugins simpler, though. Which I think there's some ongoing projects to do. So that people, for larger projects, it would be easier to do stuff. Oh, nice, Mark. Very cool. He doesn't know about kernel development yet. Yeah, maybe we need to do a side quest of how fast we can get something merged into the kernel. But I think that sounds terrible. I really don't want to do that. All right, this one is good. This is a good exercise. I don't think there's anything left for us to do here. Jia Tan mentioned exactly. This line is so good. I forgot that I wrote it. I'm like Lil Wayne listening to his old lyrics. So let's actually store some data instead of just allocating memory for no practical reason, aka Haskell programming. Oh man. Have I tried Pickle? I haven't. No. Oh, maybe I would pick CSS Carve. All right, next up, we need to implement stack push. Remember, we have to handle a few different cases for a stack, unlike when we're at this Python. First, we need to make sure we increment our data count. Yep. Zeros, pointers. Yep. The second is we actually want to store more data than we have capacity to. That means we need to realloc. This kind of situation. Stack push. You can exit with a 1. You don't need to handle failing, although you would want to for more serious applications. Nice. Okay. So stack push here. Can you explain what the header section of a malloc piece of memory include and where it lives? For example, does the header section live before the actual memory pointed? Could you explain what the header section of a malloc piece of memory include? I don't know if I understand the question. CSS feels like the natural choice. Yeah, that makes sense. Use anything like Tmux Resurrect? I don't have Tmux, so no. I don't use anything to resurrect sessions. I just leave my computer running like forever. Uptime. That's only 9 days. It's not even that good. Okay, so this is good. This all makes sense. This is great. This is great. Nice. Yep. Okay. Stack pop. Okay, so we got to write this down. So, in a stack style data structure, we use chat. Is it FIFO, LIFO, Philo, Lilo? Which is it, chat? I'm quick pop quiz. Do you guys even know? Do you guys ever FIFO? How to understand parsers and where to build one if I have to? Depends on the language. First in, first out for a stack? Golang. First in, first out. FIFO and Stitch. I'll just tweet that all by itself. All right. Last in, first out. Last in, first out. Or LIFO. Think of a stack of plates. You don't take out the bottom one when you pop off the stack. Okay, right? The stack. Leading me around all-time technical solutions. Exactly. I'm thinking ahead. I'm thinking ahead here. Well, we didn't work on the course. Or you can say first in, last out, or last in, first out, or whatever you want to say. When you pop off the stock. Are we doing C course? We are. That's what we're almost done with. Keep looking at my kid's ring toy thing, and all I can think is stack. Yeah, exactly. Maybe we should put that as a picture. We need a kid's stack ring toy, and we need one with Creative Commons license here. Tools. These all look terrible. What is this, dude? All right, we're not going to do it. Maybe I'll draw one. This will be on boot.dev. Promo code TEAJ, by the way. But the bottom one, put the rest back in the cabinet? Yes, exactly. Okay. So when we implement our stack pop function, we need to remove the last item off of the stack and then return it. The signature looks like, and then let's go ahead and we'll just yoink the one that we actually have here. Whoops. Note, since we are making a generic stack, the return type is void star because it's a pointer to whatever value we had originally stored in the stack. We can't know just from the signature what the type is going to be. That's up to you, the programmer, aka skill issue McGee. I don't know if that joke will translate for people, but that's fine. It's a new one I made on DALL-E. Oh, smart. Okay, I'm not sure if I'll use it or not, Lithium, but I'll remember that I have this here. This is your own thing? It's for boot. Yeah. Boot dev teach. By the way, exactly. I won't tell the
Properly
author you didn't
tailed
like it.
recursive, like Ocaml
Thank
is
you.
actually my favorite.
What up, Pascal? Okay, all right, so assignment, implement stack pop so it passes all the tests. What font are you using on Terminal Shop? Whatever your font is? Or are you saying the website? Have you thought about putting the course on a different site after all of this? Changing my mind,
Properly
backstabbing
tailed
Lane.
recursive, like, Ocaml
Why
is
weren't you got an
actually my
alternative
favorite.
for me? Hey, thanks, Adrian. When do we return a reference to a structure and function and when an actual value? Well, in this case, you can't return an actual value because what if something is larger than 1 byte? Well, well, because you can have different size things, I guess is what I'm saying. So you need to do pointers for this. It wouldn't make any sense.
The missile knows where it is at all times. It knows this because it knows where it isn't.
I would actually have someone made a code site where you had the ID in your browser and the environment set up already. Yeah, Lithium, I think there's I think Lane is working on some more stuff to do boot Cly where it can run locally, but then you still have to set up your environment. So that part is kind of going like you. Hey, thanks, Eddie. Now I'm building text editor. Nice. Using Kickstarter as soy mouse. Very cool. I want to add Vim Motion. Should I build that from scratch or is it an overkill and I should just integrate it? If you're doing it to learn, you should just program it yourself. It's good. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, there you go. Those are the fonts. Nice. I don't know anything about the website. You can blame adam.dev. So this one's pretty easy as well. We just do this. Subtract the count.
Recursive,
Great.
like,
Stop the
Ocaml
count.
is actually
No.
my favorite.
Subtract the count. What's up, a zillion bytes? I like that name, by the way. I don't know if I've ever told you that so far, but I like it. I'll need to tell my kiddos about the word zillion. I feel like they'll like it. I took Neil out for breakfast. I don't remember what day last week. And we ate like he had like his hash browns and eggs and what else did he eat? Oh, bacon. And then he wanted to order pancakes and he goes, I want to eat all the pancakes in the solar system. It cracked me up, dude. Love that he said solar system. He alternates between that universe and the world. I love it. It's like I really wish I could know which one. I'll call it Osamo. Oh. I wish I could know which one like is which, like why he's doing the particular one, but I love that sometimes he says solar system. It's going great, Loki. It's almost done this month, hopefully. Don't let your dreams be dreams. Red Interpreter Go is kind of hard, but any tips? You should get interpreterbook.com with Thorsten. I feel like I'm getting better technically at a job, trying to work in my spare time, learn more, but it's too exhausting, but the market is bad. Can't leave my job, so I'm stuck. What up, Lane? Lane, I'm on the grind this week. We're going to get so far on this course. I'm thinking done this week. Ball will be in your court. That's what I'm thinking. That's kind of what I'm thinking, Lane. What do you think? We're like actually like, right? Waffles must have malt. Makes sense. We're not gonna do craziness of poor memory management. We'll show some like memory leaks and stuff. We won't go over too much crazy stuff. I think it's great to see such optimism. Shut up, chat! Hey, Abu, good luck. Thorsten is a great author. He's going to put the course on a different site. That's not true. That's not true. I asked Warren what his offer was. What? The secret's going to be before, or it's going to be before Golang, I think. If so, not worried. Oh, how are you going to delete that one, Nightshade, dude? That one was so good. How are you going to delete that one? It was so
Ask me
good.
what 9 times F is. It's 75.
Oh, Daniel. Hey, thanks for the raid. Welcome. What were you up to today? So 3 years old here uses cursor to complete a website. Nice. Very based. Hey, Sweep. Nobody blames buffering except me. Fair enough. That's fair. That is worthy of a ban. That's fair enough. So yeah, we're super close though. Nice, bumping you into Mr. Finance, bro. He is the ultimate finance, bro. Did no one like FIFO and where is my FIFO and Stitch tweet? It's not gonna go viral, dang. Carne asada. Dylan. Back-to-back raids. What's up, Dylan? Boot.prod. Lane, Warren, I'm surprised you didn't go for the booty.dev.
Ryan.
I thought you were going to be at booty.dev for sure. See, Dylan.
Made it properly tail recursive. Like, OCaml is actually my favorite.
Welcome, everybody. My name's Tej. We're working on my course for boot.dev, by the way. Promo code Tej, T-E-E-J, for 25% off. And it's really close to being done. So that's exciting. But chat is distracting me. We should also say, for now, just assume all of the elements inside of the stack.
How would you say your mental focus is?
Oh, it's focused.
Oh, it's focused, boys. Nightshade, delete that one. Thank you. Thank you. I already clicked too late. That's like... where's Dax? Where did Dax tweet this?
Made it properly tail recursive. Like, OCaml is actually my favorite.
This one right here. Why do so many companies have a butthole logo? Right here. Oh my goodness. Dax, dude. Dax. Can't unsee. It cannot be unseen, dude. I replied with the old, oh, Zerbino. Hey, thanks for tier 1. 8 months. That's crazy. We'll go down well in service industry crowd. I need context though before thinking about it. Yeah. I had to switch from asterisks to dashes in Markdown over Dax's tweet. Dax really making waves, dude. Oh, that reminds me, Lane. Where's the SST dev? There you go. This one. We don't pay influencers. Well, we pay Dax, but he's not good at influencing. I feel like they were just like 2 small edits away from this being way better. You know what I mean? But it's still a good one. Didn't make your logo, Deed. True. But this was still a good one. I feel like Lane appreciates this one though. They should have workshopped it with me first, you know? But it's okay. Okay, so this one's good. Oh, this needs to be like this. Right. Nice. We can put this one here for them. Oops. Oh, we need to put this here too. Wow, Lane almost missed that one. Classic Lane. Am I right, chat? Why don't we work on more tweets? The problem is I don't run enough stuff by you. I know, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying, Lane. You know what we should do? What, Dan? To think while I work now, so less time for Twitch. Dang. Are you writing closure or something? Founder mode. James, that's funny. That's funny, James. What are we doing here? We're making a C course. I don't know. Make an announcement post. No. Oh no. At everyone. Dan is making fun of me in Twitch chat again. I have once... Actually, you know what I mean? I am once again asking you, meme. This is... let's see. We got to add a little space up here on top of Bernie's head. The Dan Vale. Right now. I am once again asking you to make the stupid Discord announcement. You dummy. There we go. I have forgotten to do this. I am live. Okay, there you go, Dan. Flip it, chip it. After this course, what's next? Roblox? I actually talked to Lane that we should do a Roblox course. CPP course? Never. Never. Can look at Smart Lithium. Let me do a CPP course.
Like,
hello.
Ocaml is actually my
What's up,
favorite.
Shrimp? Lua, Ocaml, and Rust all seem to be on the table. Lane, are you going to let me build the thing where we do a NeoVim UI for boot.dev? Because that's what I think we need. What's the best programming language? Depends on the problem. CCP course, am I right? That's funny. I like to imagine someone like building a CCP course and like some programmer accidentally starts it thinking they're going to learn C++. And they're like, when is the C++ part going to happen? Do a server-side programming course. All of these are server-sides. Or select just one from the list for the next 3 years. I don't know. Maybe Ocaml because I have a lot of fun with it. And I could build everything instead. Yeah, Lane, this is the NeoVim plugin one. We need this. We need NVim. Then you do this. And then you say boot.dev. And then with obviously promo code equals teach. Like something like this, right? And then you do... Press this and it opens up your stuff. You can go through. You can select the list. You press enter and it opens up the little splits just like this with like, here's your markdown. Here's your code. Here's your output. You press, we can even make it so you can press Control S for save here. So normies feel comfy. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that makes sense, Lithium. They just pick C++ only the good parts. Local boot dev. Well, it'll still run against the server and everything. How do we get normies to download NeoVim? We'll have Prime talk about it. Hey guys, it's me, the Primogen again. I know you guys heard about boot.dev and I was thinking, hey, what if we had NeoVim for it? So TJ did all the work and he did all of this, but I'm going to take the credit. So here we go, guys. Download NeoVim and do boot.dev with promo code Prime. Just like that, basically, you know what I mean? Add Fortnite dances. Yeah. What? Uncanny. Oh, man. True, I did force them to download it. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We're already there. Remember I was messaging about Terminal? Well, it turns out I was reading November. My brain went, oh, September. And I thought it was like next week. Oh, Dan, did you book the wrong stuff? You didn't book the wrong stuff, though, did you? Oh no. That's why I was telling you didn't need to hurry. I was like, Dan, there's plenty of time, dude. I'll get you the exact info you need. Look how little Cody wrote. I wrote all of this. If anyone is gonna be oh no, Dan. You can't get it switched? Oh, that reminds me. By the way, chats. If you're gonna be in November in NYC, November 18th, tickets are selling fast. We're doing an event. And we're not telling you what it is. But it's gonna be the whole terminal gang and more. Oh, thanks, Mohit. Appreciate it. So, just throwing it out there. If you want to go. Launching terminal.t. I'm not going to say what it is. But it's an event. Like, you will laugh. You will cry. You will sing not Prime's praises, probably. Lane, I'll message you right now. Okay, Lane, I DM'd you. Are tickets included in the price from Zurich? The tickets, this is to get entry. We can't do anything else. Is Prime going to be in a donkey booth? Are they terminally ill? That's funny, Rex. Anyways, so if you want to go, it'll be a good time. Shoot, where was I? Oh, right, I was working on my course. Thanks, Lithium. Buy coffee in the terminal. No, not this one. What was I going to do again? Oh, term, yeah. Coming from Go and Fluent TS is worth learning Elixir, or should I learn Gleam? I think Elixir is really cool. It's worth learning. Lithabama. Okay. Anyways, you can buy coffee from there. Thanks, Lithabama. Hi, nice terminal. Thank you. Gleam is neat though. True. All right. Learn Java. Bonus points for making as many coffee puns in the course as possible. I don't want to cross-pollinate my streams here, you know? 24, your devs will have pop-up events. I went to the preview, it changed my life. Exactly. Can you ban Dan? No, because then I have to re-add him back as an editor or whatever it is. The reason we had to add Dan, who is my YouTube VOD editor guy, as mod is because Nightshade kept banning him, which removes all of his Twitch privileges, which means randomly he wouldn't be able to access VODs or any of the other tools he needs. It's the only reason we gave Dan the sword, chat. Classic Nightshade move. That's actually true. It is a classic Nightshade move, though. Classic Nightshade W. Classic Nightshade W. Okay, so that part's all good. Bad editor anyways. He's doing the best with what he's got. Okay, Nightshade? I will say one day in spring boot. What? Because I want to see the neurons. I don't understand. I don't understand the message. Oh no, I'm not doing the middest with what I want. Up until now, even though we made our stack void star, you'll notice we only use int as the data and push to address those integers on the stack. In this lesson, we'll show you actually store anything in the stack, even heterogeneous lists. That being said, this is usually a bad idea. I'm going to ask you to do something kind of gross in the exercise. You're going to push an int directly into the stack, and then also push an int star. This should show you void star's powerful. So we've already gone over some of this too, so this should not be super like surprising to them. Pushes Imagine there's movement that some people find offensive, the name terminal, like, and then you would have to name it console, not allowed. We wouldn't change it. TJ recreated the thumbnail face design. Oh my goodness. True. Good point, Dan. You're so right. I forgot. I'll do that today. See you on a Monday. Insane. Dan, you're totally right. I totally forgot about that. Shush, shush, push, shush, 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 shush. All right. Right, this needs to be here and pasted all inside of here so they can see it. Yep. Okay, then this runs here. And then this is bad. This is very bad. Int value, int pointer. Is this awesome WM? It is. Hey, thanks, Narx. Appreciate it. We Wouldn't Change is a good name. That's a pretty funny one, too. Communism mentioned. Oh, chat. Okay, right. So we go here and we take this. We take this. And we go to exercise H. We can change this. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, and then we need to take this one. So we want to do push 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 directly onto the stack. And once again, bad idea. Okay, right? And then we'll also do push an allocated integer onto the stack where the value points to a 1. Okay, nice. Okay, so that's what they need to do. Okay, those are good. That's good. Should be exactly the same for those. That should be good as well. Awesome. Support, actively hurt, same picture. Corporate wants you to see the difference between these two. All right. Okay, awesome. I was just going to show you in Star. Remember, it's a terrible idea. It's sometimes when you have to do, it's like, I wonder if I'm reminding them that something's a bad idea too many times, but then it's also like, it's a really bad idea. They need to know that you shouldn't do this. Oh, man. Oh, I guess I need to update this. Commands, edit, OS. This feature exists. Don't use it. Yeah. Did you got asked to Ghosty? I don't know, like a month or two ago. So we'll see that not only can you push values and pointers onto the same stack, but you can also push different types of values into the same stack. So once again, a terrible idea. We're getting them to this point though. This is the part that we want them to get. Fortunately, C at least doesn't let you do these conversions automatically, but it still lets you do them. Yep. Yep. Push a float and a string on the same stack to make the tests pass. Terrible plan. Terrible plan. Who wrote these exercises? Who wrote these exercises? Oh, I don't want this to be... Oh, nice. This is an exercise H. Very good. I love your techness. What? Push an allocated float of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Push an allocated
like, Ocaml
string
actually my
of
favorite.
pointer to pointer. Nice. Nice. Love my tetanitis. Technique. Got it. I also love your techniques. Do you know when Ghosty will be? No idea. I'm not following anything with the development or anything. Just trying it out. It's cool. Good morning, by the way. Thank you, Quadro. It's so easy they need to explain to the next person in the comments. Well, they're exercises. So they're going to build that. So that's telling them what they need to do to pass the exercise. So this side is the exercise and this side is the complete. So they need to remember to be able to, like, they need to know what to do to pass the exercise. Because unfortunately, chat, Lane had a good idea and built exercises into the boot dev platform. So it's like smart, but it also means that it takes about 100 times as long to make a course. So there's that. I'm doing great. Lane, am I wrong? I mean, it's like I built everything I wanted to talk about for this in like a quarter of the time that it's taken to finish the course. And like if all I had to do was just record videos about this, be a different game. Push a float and string onto the stack to make the tests pass. I'm not sure. Very true. Also, and why we can release full videos for free. It's true. It's because actually doing the exercises is important. I don't think that we need to do stack dispose. Because we always have object free for these, so I think it's fine. Are you still using OCaml? Yeah. I mean, like I write it on stream and stuff. I have a project maybe coming soon where I get to write a lot of OCaml. It's in the works at the moment. It's in the works. Need to earn $10,000 a month on Brazilian. What's your recommendation to earn it as quickly as possible? What? I don't know. What are your skills? How many months do you need to earn this amount of money?
Like,
VS
OCaml is
Scotty!
my favorite.
Yeah. That's what I'm wondering. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. You showed a different readme earlier. No, it's okay. It's okay. We'll go back to it later. It's fine. Reason, language. Thank you. Thank you. Java, C#. I don't know. I have no idea. Most sane chatter. Flea? I don't think fleas are going to solve any problems there. How to get Ghosty? You have to join the Discord. If you had to build a version control system, how would you do and what feature would you add? I would just build a wrapper around Git with a shell alias and then say that I built that because Git seems just fine for almost everybody. Do you make the beep on VS Code manually or do you have some automation for that? Oh, it's AI. So it knows the difference just between Visual Studio, totally fine, not pretending to be open source. It knows the word code, but if you put those together with Visual Studio, it knows what to do, right? And like just VS, it knows what to do as well. So it's just AI. Yeah. It's just AI. Everything can be solved with AI these days, chat. Everything. It's coming to take your jobs, even your beepers. VS Codium, it's fine. Show by... Everyone always says, TJ, show your hands. Really? Show your hands. Really? Okay, fine. VS. Satisfied? Satisfied? How can I can't, I'm not going to show you my feet for free, chat. Someone's got to gift 50 subs for that. Then I'll show the feet at the same time.
Scotty doesn't know that Fiona and me do it in my van.
Not wearing shoes confirmed. I'm not. I'm barefoot right now. I'm barefoot right now.
This is not Rob from the block. This was TGDV.
It's TGDV. Okay. So this is the part where I have to show my feet, but then admit that I have a button. This is the part where I have to do this. But now I have to admit that there's just a button, and the last time I pressed it with my feet. I can do like this. Curse you, Lane! Curse you, Lane! Okay? There you go. This is an unsafe work environment. Lane is kind of like my boss. And I don't know how to feel about this. Oh no, chat. Oh man. Now I need some other way to press it. Karen? Karen! Yes. Acrobatic intelligence. Exactly. Thank you for understanding. I'm a true born natural acrobat. No souls. Here. Oh. There you go. And oh, press the button with your back and the button on the chair. Exactly. So anyways, I just have a button, chat. We got new thumbnail. Oh no, I didn't think about this. Oh. I just have a button. I got timed out for gifting subs. These are the rewards, chat. It wasn't for gifting subs, Lane. It was for creating an unsafe work environment. I'm literally working on boot.dev. And Lane gift subs to show feet. You guys, you literally can't make this up. Oh my goodness. What's up, Alberto? Okay, that's going on the website. That can be my instructor photo. It's my instructor photo, Lane. Oh my goodness. Oh, that'll be good. Boot less dev. Pool stream? We should do it. Oh man, that is too funny. Okay. Anyways, back to trying to finish this project. Proper dev is growing and I'm here for it. Oh my goodness. All right, so we can delete these two for a sec. We can delete this and we can go here and here. We don't need either of these. And then we can take this and we can say for each stack. And then we can just say to do here. Stack. There we go. We'll do like this. Okay. And then we want to do for each or stack for each. We don't have this function yet. All right. Anyways, we're focusing now, chat. We're focusing now. So if I recall, I think I could just do something silly like this. Stack for each. And then if I remember. No, I don't want to do that. I want to go like, say I and V, something like this. V is this, and then we want to do like body. It's been a little while since I tried this. Boring t-shirt today. It's an old Hacker News. It's an old one. I'm trying to think what's the way that I'd want to show them how to do this. Where you had dedicated testers? Yeah, I did. I think it can work. Lots of companies, I think, don't know how to use it effectively. Basically. I'm trying to think what I want to do for this. So let's say we do something like IV, and then we say something like printf. Oh, right. We got to say like void star. Oh, but how would we do that? We would want to do something like, because we're going to need to be able to, we want to say something like this and then go like this, which is kind of annoying. Oh, right. We have to actually pass the stack as well. Duh. That's funny. It's been a little while since I thought about this. I don't know that this will play very nice inside of this. Will this be learned memory management? It sure is. Oh, we're focused. What's the point of having testers? Developers know best and can create the test cases themselves, because some things are not possible really to like have test cases for. Like maybe you have a company that started in 1977 and runs say like 70 to 80% of the US healthcare shenanigans, and you need to make sure that you don't release some regression that's going to get people killed. So you have people manually run through that, and that's their full-time job. Have I ever individually created a program with purely C? What do you mean? Like no contributors, just write a big C project by myself? I don't know what you mean, Razo. Really hard to get taken seriously was overshadowed by the real ones. What? Like 10 or so years, something like that. In programming. It's like when I was at Epic, that's the only place that we had dedicated testers. Like it made sense, I think. But in general, I'm not convinced that it's like a great idea for every single situation, right? What's going on in your prompt in the pane below? I don't know what you mean. This? It just tells me that I have some untracked files and some changed files. You can get rid of it if it bothers you. Wait, what did I do wrong here? Assert int. Let's do s capacity equals to sets capacity to 2. Yeah, that's fine. Did I do something wrong in this? Oh, let's just delete this for a second, and then I can remember how this works. What? Snake stack here, primal. Wait, what? Why do I have this in here? That should not be there. Oh, duh. I'm just calling functions that don't exist. Was not paying attention. Was not paying attention, chat. Getting me too distracted. What did I have here before? Yeah, we'll go back all the way to here. Zzz. Right, we can go like this. Cool. Forgot the K in stack. What? At Epic, how did you utilize them? You would have like so on my team that we worked on, I worked on a team called Healthy Planet. We were working on a project called Datalink. So like on our team for our product, right, we had like a set of software developers, we had a set of QA, we had a set of like implementation people, and we had a set of like project manager people. We all were in the same like building. We worked with each other, all this other stuff. And then basically like what would happen is every time we would try and like push through effectively like a PR at each stage, we would have test plans. People would run through those tests and the QA would come up with their own ones. Not like adversarially in the sense of like they're angry, but like adversarially as in they wanted to be able to find bugs, right? So they're trying to like break it or find other ways to work on stuff, right? And then they tested in different environments, and they have all their own test cases set up and their own test patients and all this other stuff, right? And then they do stuff. I also built a lot of things for them. Like I built kind of like an internal version of Telescope before I built Telescope that helped them like search through test plans. And I built this thing that let them like load test cases up into like Excel files and other stuff like this. So that they could not have to do as many things manually. But yeah, so like we work together by like having a process about how to get something published by having testers sign off and everything. Yeah. Is this dependency injection? No. This wants to deliver before QA is done. No, would not possible to do. Not a thing really. Very different vibe when you have when it's like medical software. At least we're at Epic. Oh, like overall I thought, not that Epic always accomplished what they were searching for. Like I left, you know, I wanted to work somewhere else. I didn't really think medical software was like my favorite thing to write, but like they did actually try and make it so that oh, thank you. They did try and make it so that, you know, people would not die and they would have good software for their medical stuff. When you have like 100 million, 200 million people at least where you're doing all of their medical record stuff, 1 in a million happens like a bunch of times every day. So it's like a very different vibe from like, oops, my button's not aligned. Okay, I'll be right back. Gonna grab some more coffee. Speaking of shilling, did you guys know you can go to terminal.shop right now and you can purchase some artisan blend coffee while supplies last? Wow. Hey, fancy meeting you here at the end of the video. Just go ahead, give it a smash. You know, wow, the like button. You can make fun of me in the comments for that one. I don't even care because you made it to the end of this video. Thanks everybody. See ya.